the Smallholders and Countryside Festival today at the Members Building. We've got our Growers Market here today, and it's fantastic to be back here again. Tyfu Cymru is a funded project which works with commercial horticultural businesses in Wales, edible, ornamental, small to very large scale, and we've got some of the best here today.
We are Incredible Edible. Well, there's me, I'm Dorian, this is Catherine, my partner here today, and we're based in Lavender, Wales, which is about 5 miles away. We started just before the pandemic set in. We set up our group, and it came from a talk given at an event called Facing the Future in the town, which dealt with food security, energy security, etc. But eventually we settled on joining the Incredible Edible group, and last year we produced tons of food for the community, and the food is always free, so anybody can come and pick whatever they want, whenever they want. And we also have a seed library that we've set up, so we encourage people to save seed and to take seed, grow the plants, eat the plants, but save some seed from some of the plants, bring it back to the library. And my colleague Catherine runs the seed library. So we're sort of growing in the community, but literally growing in the community.
Hello, I'm Richard Williams. I work for MPTC Group of Colleges, which is based in Neath. And we're here today showing people how to take streptocarpus cuttings and showing them the plants that we grow. Plant them in here, and these are the babies we get. And eventually, after 2 years, 3 years, you'll get this monster.
We're trying to get farmers to diversify. And the word on the street was they weren't taking the money. So a neighbor of mine, Baden Powell, said, why don't you see if you can get a grant to grow lavender?
It's lovely. We're delighted to buy your stuff. Right. We'll be smelling of you for the next year.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you very much. We have a business, we make body care products, we distill lavender, and we're the first to grow lavender on a field scale in Wales. And we're just delighted to be part of this organization today.
Hi there, I'm Justine from West Wales Willows, and we're willow growers and weavers and tutors from Carmarthenshire in West Wales. We grow about 260 varieties of willow on the farm in West Wales, and we hold the National Willow Collection as well, which is through Plant Heritage. And obviously we work with Tyfu Cymru, and they've been brilliant at supporting us and helping us grow the business as we go through.
Hello, the stand here today is a sample of some of the stock from Pheasant Acre Nurseries, a wholesale nursery near Bridgend where we grow probably 80% of our stock. We show at Malvern, Chelsea and lots of other major horticultural shows around the country. And this year at Malvern we were designated Master Growers, which is quite a feather in the cap of the nursery. It's been going quite a long time. We specialised in gladioli, dahlias, which we've grown up to 500 to 600 varieties at one time. Lots of other herbaceous bits and pieces, as you can see on the stand here. All the stock we've got here, particularly the dahlias, the gladioli bulbs, and in the autumn and in the winter we sell a lot of tulips and daffodil bulbs. All those things are available online, which obviously during COVID was a fantastic advantage, because people who are bored at home tend to expand their gardening activities and buy a lot more online. So whereas garden centres suffered and some of the other places, online nurseries did quite well. Since then, we're back to shows really, because shows are now open and the public can come and see the stock rather than have to look online.